A colorful scramble more than meets the eye, the Rubik's Cube. A puzzle for some, a colorful paperweight for others. But did you know there are over 43 quintillion possible combinations on this little cube? That's a 43 with 18 zeros after it. Yet, with a little bit of logic and a sprinkle of practice, this colorful enigma can be tamed. Yes, even you, with a bit of guidance from yours truly, can join the ranks of cube masters. Intrigued? Then let's embark on this vibrant journey together. We'll unravel the secrets of the cube, one twist and turn at a time. Get ready to impress your friends and yourself with your newfound mastery. Are you with me? Splendid! Let's dive in. Unmasking the mystery anatomy of a cube. First things first, let's get acquainted with our colorful companion. The Rubik's Cube is like a miniature three-dimensional puzzle. Made up of smaller cubes, it has 6 faces, each adorned with 9 stickers in a vibrant palette of colors: white, yellow, orange, red, green, and blue. Now, these aren't just any ordinary stickers. They represent the heart and soul of the cube, the cubies. These little fellas move and groove, twist and turn, creating the captivating chaos we all know and love. There are 3 types of cubies: corner cubies with 3 colors, edge cubies with 2, and center cubies with 1. Understanding the cubies is key to unlocking the cube's secrets. They are the building blocks of our puzzle-solving adventure. So take a moment, give your cube a good look, and get familiar with these colorful characters. They'll be your partners in crime, or rather partners in solving crime, in this case. Mastering the moves, your fingers on the fly. Now that we're acquainted with the cube's anatomy, it's time to get handsy. Don't worry, we won't be performing any complicated magic tricks just yet, just learning the language of the cube, its moves. Imagine holding the cube right in front of you. Each face has a name: front, back, right, left, up and down. Quite intuitive, wouldn't you say? Now, rotating a face clockwise is a simple turn denoted by the letter of that face. For example, turning the right face clockwise is an arm move. Turning it counterclockwise, that's an arm move, the apostrophe indicating the reverse. It might seem a tad confusing at first, like trying to learn a new dance move, but fear not. With a little practice, these moves will become second nature, as natural as breathing. You'll be flinging those F's, B's, and R's like a seasoned conductor leading an orchestra of colors. Section 4. Conquering the chaos layer by layer. Ready to tackle the puzzle? We'll use the beginner's method, a tried and true approach to conquer the cube layer by layer. Our first mission, should we choose to accept it, is to solve the first layer one side with all its colors matching. Start by picking a color. Any color will do. This will be your base color, the foundation of your masterpiece. Now the goal is to get all the pieces of that color onto their corresponding face, forming a nice, neat cross. Think of it as laying the foundation of our cubical palace. Next, we'll fill in the corners of our base layer, matching them to the colors of the adjacent centerpieces. This requires a bit of spatial awareness and a dash of intuition. Remember those algorithms, the sequences of moves? They'll come in handy here. Don't worry, you won't need to memorize complex mathematical formulas. Just a few simple sequences to get those corners in place. Section 5, the grand finale, algorithms to the rescue. With the first 2 layers under our belt, we're in the home stretch. Now we need to tackle the final layer, and this is where things get a bit more algorithmic. We'll employ 2 sets of algorithms with fancy names: OL, orientation of the last layer, and PLL, permutation of the last layer. OL is all about getting the last layer pieces in the correct orientation, like making sure all the yellow stickers are facing up. PLL then shuffles these correctly oriented pieces into their final positions, completing the puzzle. Now, these algorithms might seem intimidating at first glance, like a secret code whispered among cube masters. But fear not, there are plenty of resources available online and in books that break them down into manageable chunks, complete with helpful illustrations. Just remember, practice makes perfect. Just hit that like button and share with friends and family. And if you're not a part of the family, hit the subscribe button and fix that. Also leave a comment, as we love hearing from you. With a bit of patience and perseverance, you'll be rattling off those OLs and PLLs like a seasoned pro in no time. And then, my friend, you'll have truly unlocked the secrets of the Rubik's Cube.